Hi, good morning children. A warm welcome to the Max class.
Does it look the same? Fifth lesson. We already studied about symmetry, line of symmetry, half turn, and its practice time also we did it. Today we are going to do what is 1/4 turn, how it works, how it rotates, that we are going to study today. Listen. One circle is here. That circle is divided as 4 equal parts. Thus each part is called 1/4. This is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this also 1/4. I am giving as points A, B, C, D. Listen. An object, any object we are placing here, that object is at A now and it moves A to B. That object comes here. Listen, one arrow is the object, that's at A now, it moves to B. That arrow moves to B. Then we can tell this arrow completes what? 1/4 rotation. 1/4 rotation or 1/4 turn or 1/4 turn, this arrow completed. It moves from A to B, 1/4 rotation or 1/4 turn or 1/4 turn it completes. 1/4 turn means how much degree it is completing. One complete circle is equal to 360 degree. Half of the circle, semicircle, that's equal to 180 degree. And this one, quarter, that's equal to 90 degree. So this arrow moves from A to B. That means it complete 1/4 rotation. It moves 90 degree. It moves 90 degree. Clear that? An object moving its 1/4 turn means it moving 90 degree. It rotating 90 degree. So 1/4 turn means an object turning what? 90 degree. That is 1/4 rotation. Here arrow moving A to B, it completes 1/4 rotation. Then from B to C, it coming like this, B to C. Here also 1/4 rotation it completed. 1/4 rotation it completed. Totally we can say half turn. Totally we can say A to C half turn we can say. B to C we can say that also 1/4 turn. What is this direction we are calling? It is clockwise direction, and if it in this way it is called anti-clockwise direction. So in your textbook one fan's figure is given. The leaves looking same or different after turning 1/4. Two different figures are there. So we can just go through that textbook and some pictures also given there. After making 1/4 rotation, that pictures are same or not. That means does it look same or not after 1/4 rotation? That also we are going to discuss now. Okay.
Listen children, page number 81, the last part, 1/4 turn. Does the fan look the same on 1/4 turn? One fan's picture is given there. It's having 4 blades, 4 leaves are there, 4 are in blue color. So after making it 1/4 turn, 2 pictures are given before turning the fan and after 1/4 turn also given. What do you feel? We got the same after turning. Next page. Will this fan also look the same after 1/4 turn? Draw in the yellow box. One different fan is given here. It having 2 yellow and 2 blue leaves are there. While making it 1/4 turn, the blue fan moved to the place to yellow color fans. So we didn't get the same figure after 1/4 turn. Next, practice time. A. Question number A. Among the following shapes, find out which one would look the same after 1 by 4 turn. Put tick mark. Listen, 1, 2, 3. Some pictures are given in this page and the next page also. So we have to check it whether they are looking same or different after 1 by 4 turn. So we can check that. Before that we can see what is 1 by 4 turn, how does it works, how we are working with the shapes, the 1 by 4 rotation. After seeing that examples, we can solve these questions, these 8 figures answer. That means if these 8 figures making 1 by 4 turn, after 1 by 4 turn it gets same or not. So let's watch this one, after you will get answer. Dear children, today we are going to study about 1/4 turn or 1 by 4 turn. When an object rotates, it rotates either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Here a circle is divided into A to B, B to C, C to D and D to A, 4 equal parts. Each part is 1 by 4 or 1/4. 1/4 of the circle we can call A to B. B to C also 1 by 4. C to D also 1 by 4. D to A also 1 by 4. When an object rotates clockwise from A to B, the object completes what? 1/4 rotation. A to B comes, then we can call it complete 1/4 rotation. Okay. If an object comes to B to C also, then also we can call it one complete 1/4 rotation. See this one? B to C. Now A to B come to B to C. Then also one complete 1/4 rotation happens. So listen, 1/4 rotation. A to B. We can place one arrow there. On A we can place one arrow. Let's take an arrow. It is at point A. Now it is at point A. We are making this arrow 1/4 turn. We are making this arrow 1/4 turn. We are rotating up to the point B. See this one? So where the arrow now? The arrow now is at point B. It completes 1/4 rotation. Okay. We can say that the arrow took 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn means an object that moves 90 degree. Okay. How much degree 1/4 turn means? It completes 90 degree. 1/4 turn means it rotating an object 90 degree. So let's check with another example. Symmetry at 1/4 turn. We are placing an object on the circle at the center and we are rotating it 1 by 4th turn. We are rotating it at 1 by 4th turn. Does it look same or not? Does it symmetrical or not after 1 by 4 turn? Let's take a square. It is at point A now. We are making the square 1/4 turn now. What happened? The same figure we got now. Our question is, does the square look same on 1 by 4 turn? After 1 by 4 turn, it will look same or not? Same, yeah? Yes, the square looks same on 1 by 4 turn. Let's have with another example. We can take one triangle now. It's at point A now. Now we can make the triangle at 1/4 turn. See this one? What do you feel? What do you see here? Is it same or not? It complete 1 by 4 rotation. Does the triangle look same on 1 by 4 turn? No, the triangle doesn't look same. Next we can check an alphabet A. Let us take an alphabet A. It is at point A. Now we are make this alphabet 1 by 4 turn. it completes 1 by 4 turn. Does it look same or not? After 1 by 4 turn? No, the alphabet doesn't look the same on 1 by 4 turn. Okay. Next we can take a next figure. One fan. Let's take a fan. Take a fan. It has 4 leaves, 4 same color leaves, 4 but blue color leaves are there, blades are there. It is at point A now. Now we are making this fan 1/4 turn. What we get the figure? Any changes is there? No. Does the fan look same on 1 by 4 turn? No. No change. That means yes, the fan same on 1 by 4 turn. It is symmetrical. Next take another fan, but it has some changes with the previous fan. What is that changes? Yes, 2 blades having blue color and another 2 having yellow color. So we are going to rotate. We are going to rotate 1 by 4 turn by using this fan. Then what we get? The previous we got same. So what about this one? We can check it now. It is at point A now. Now we are making 1/4 turn. Now it's complete its rotation as 1 by 4 turn. What we get? Any changes is there? Yes, yeah? So does it look same or not? What do you feel after 1 by 4 turn? No, the fan does not look same on 1 by 4 turn. Next, you look at the next page. Among the following shapes, find out which one would look the same after 1 by 4 turn. Some figures are given here. We are making these all figures 1 by 4 turn. Does it look same or not after 1 by 4 turn? That we are going to check. The first figure like a triangle, no? That we are making 1 by 4 turn. What we get? This figure we got. The second one, next to the second one we are moving as 1 by 4 turn. Then the third one we are making 1 by 4 turn. Then the fourth one also we made 1 by 4 turn. Okay, does these figures look same after 1 by 4 turn or not? We got the same or not? What about the first one? No, we not get the same figure in the first one. Second one okay. Third one we not get and fourth one same. So second and fourth one we got same after 1 by 4 turn. Now look at these figures. Among the following shapes, find out which one would look the same after 1 by 4 turn. So we are making this figure 1 by 4 turn. Then next one 1 by 4 turn completed. Next figure also completed. The wheel also completed the 1 by 4 turn. What happened? Does it look same or not? What about the first one? No, we not get a same. Second one okay, we got same. Third one not get and wheel. The fourth one we got same after 1 by 4 turn.
Dear children, now look at the page number 84. The question C. Draw what the following shapes would look like 1 by 4 turn and half a turn. Some shapes are given, one triangle, one square, one rectangle and one hexagon. That means 6-sided polygon. That also given there. After 1 by 4 turn and 1 by 2 turn, half turn and quarter turn, it looks same or different. That we are going to do now. Look here, the first figure triangle. This triangle made it 1 by 4 turn, we get the figure like this. This triangle we make quarter turn, and the same triangle we are making half turn, we get this one. So is it same or different? Same figure we get after 1 by 4 turn? No, it not same. What about 1 by 2 half turn? That also not same. Then square. After 1 by 4 turn, we get the same figure. After 1 by 2 turn, half turn also we get same figure. Okay. And in the case of rectangle this way rectangle we are moving but 1 by 4 turn, then we get the figure like this. These are same, not same, but while making it half turn, we got same figures. In the case of hexagon also, half turn we get same figures, but in the case of 1 by 4 turn, we get different figures that are not same. Okay, so what we discussed about the 1 by 4 turn. 1 by 4 turn means one circle that is divided as 4 equal parts. Among that equal parts, each one is called 1 by 4. 1 by 4 turn means it covers 90 degree. Okay, so let's wind up today's class. Next we can study about the next turn. Okay, so till that time, take care. Bye-bye.